Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Royal Roads University's first virtual open house. I should also say good evening or good afternoon to those of you joining us from across Canada and around the world. I'm Philip Steenkamp, President and Vice Chancellor of Royal Roads University. It is with much appreciation that I join you from the traditional lands of the Corsupsan and Lekwungen ancestors and families here in beautiful Victoria, British Columbia. This place has a rich history, from the Indigenous families who have lived here for thousands of years, to the coal baron who left his colonial legacy here, to the military cadets who trained at the Royal Roads Military College before we became a public university 25 years ago. I'm so glad you're considering your future as part of ours. I'm standing here in front of beautiful Hatley Castle. If you've seen the Deadpool movies or the X-Men series, you might recognize it. But today is about showing you who we are in real life and what we can offer you beyond this Hollywood landmark. Investing in your education is a big decision, whether you're just starting your academic journey or returning to it as a mid-career professional. This decision might be especially daunting in these uncertain times. It takes tremendous courage to start something new, to put your career on hold, or to move across the world to pursue your dreams. I learned that if you moved through life with your head down, you would miss out on seeing life-changing opportunities. That instead, I had to move through life prepared to look up and step up. Today, I believe, is one of those opportunities. You might not meet Deadpool today, but you might meet someone who will change your life. Or maybe you will change someone else's. So I encourage you to shake those virtual hands and be exactly yourself. That's the kind of courage that is at the core of everything we do and at the core of what our students and alumni do. Royal Roads stepped up with courage as leaders in online education 25 years ago. Long before anyone had even heard of Zoom, we were leaders in both on-campus and online learning. Royal Roads is a place where big ideas meet small class sizes, where you are on a first-name basis with your instructors, where professors learn alongside you, and where your classmate might be a CEO of a startup or a parent taking a chance on a new career. We offer a life-changing education. You can work toward creating sustainable peace at home and around the world. You can become a climate action leader for your workplace, or help to rejuvenate tourism and travel post-pandemic. We are here to start a conversation about your future. I encourage you to ask questions and continue talking to us throughout these sessions and beyond to see if we're the right fit for you. I hope to see you again on this beautiful campus or in our dynamic online classrooms. Have fun this week.